All right, so I want to talk to you guys about something that's genuinely changed the game for me with AI. Every single answer I get now fully feels tailored to me, not generic slop, not a guess. I'm still kind of amazed by it, to be honest. It's called a second brain, and I'll show you exactly how I set it up so you can use it for yourself day to day. So here's how it works, and here's exactly what you'll have by the end. It's essentially a cloud database where all of your AI memory, everything that AI knows about you, will sit in the cloud. This cloud is connected to all of the AI platforms that you use, whether it's Copilot, Codex, Claude, you name it. The second thing we're gonna set up is a bot that you can talk to that feeds the second brain. So essentially how I use it is I will talk to my phone using Telegram like a journal, whether I am, and normally I'll be doing this in the car, at the gym, and everything you feed it, all of that journaling gets fed to the second brain in the cloud. So the next time you're using any AI platform, it actually knows all of the journaling that you've done. So all of the little facts about yourself, all of the reminders, everything like that. One truth first before we build it, because it's the whole reason this changed everything for me. So it's not about the perfect prompt. It's about what AI knows about you. You know, everyone's obsessed with, being a prompt engineer and, your output is not going to be good if your prompt's not good. That's all false now. So the thing is, every answer an AI gives you is only as good as what it knows about you when you ask. So no context, you get a generic answer, dressed up or, fancy. Full context, you get one that's actually right for you. That's the shift. That's the edge that we have here. And what I love most is that when you develop this second brain, you can essentially become AI-agnostic, which pretty much means that, you're not tied or restricted to one AI system such as Claude. Because right now, because I love to be on the cutting edge of technology, AI is constantly changing and improving, and companies are outdoing each other. Literally right now, I checked this morning, I see that OpenAI just came out with their 5.6 model, and people are raving about it, saying it's actually better than Claude's Fable, which has literally been the top contender for the last month. So now everyone's using Codex 5.6. So what I'm trying to say is that I'm constantly switching between AI models, whether it's Copilot, DeepSeek, Claude, Codex, you name it. And when you connect this second brain to every AI platform you use, you don't need to reintroduce yourself constantly. So when you're using all these different AI platforms, think of it like two new employees that you've, recruited to your business. One's read half your files, the other reads a different half, and they've never really once compared notes. That's Claude and Codex right now. Each holds a partial, incomplete picture of yourself, locked inside its own little app. So really, we're not chasing the most clever prompt anymore. So what we're doing here is we're giving every AI you use the same complete memory, one you own, instead of scattered fragments of, knowledge here and there. And that means is that, say for example, Claude goes down, Codex goes down, you don't care because the platform doesn't own your memory. You own the memory, and that's in the cloud. So here's the whole thing, and it's genuinely 3 moves. First step, you make 3 free accounts. Supabase for the brain, Telegram for the bot you talk to, and Groq to turn your voice into text. That's for the journaling. That's pretty much the only part you do, and it takes about 5 minutes. So once you paste the prompt that I give you into Claude Code, it'll pretty much guide you, and it'll build the entire thing itself. So as I said, everything's free in the description. The repo is called AI Second Brain. The setup prompts in the file. And yeah, let me know if you want to see more about what I've been doing to be on the cutting edge of AI so I can make another video. And until then, I'll see you in the next video.